Good morning, Vanda. Myself, Gopiraju Tulsuri. Today, I am going to share my internship work experience. I would like to talk about organization review. My host organization name was Cynic Circular Solutions. It was placed in Melbourne, Victoria. I was successfully completed 12 weeks internship from 27/2020 to 4/10/2020. In the host organization, my position was as a mechanical engineer intern. The company working under Precious Plastics. They provide the services like Precious Plastics exists to reduce plastic waste through boosting recycling, new biodegradable materials by adopting zero waste lifestyles. Precious Plastic is a combination of people, missions, platforms, and knowledge to create an alternative global recycling system. Precious Plastic is also provided techniques to the people by doing plastic recycling by itself at home. My organization overview. The director of Cynic Circular Solutions is Vishek Bhatta. My project supervisor also Vishek Bhatta. His qualification is mechanical engineering graduate and his work experience. He worked as a mechanical assistant at Precious Plastic past 2 years, and he was taking in part of plastic recycling at the company Precious Plastic. Project description. My project is actually me and my supervisor working under Precious Plastics to perform a plastic recycling machinery audit, and we provide the uh, plastic recycling techniques to Precious Plastics, and we developed a business model to the caves. That organization, my role was to develop a deep analysis of materials that are used in machine manufacturing, detailed analysis and audit on plastics and their differentiation, communicate with management, the user personnel to develop production and design standards, collaborating with the customer consultation team about their needs, bringing innovative ideas and designing thinking principles to do the plastic recycling project approach. We were a group of 3 people in this project. The Cynic Circular Solutions was provided individual tasks. Mainly my task was researching on machine parts for recycling process, and we done a experiment in how many wastewater bottles converted into a one roll of filament. After completing the experiment, we got the results that 30 to 40 water bottles required to get a one roll of filament. I was also research on filament's cost around the country. At the end, we developed a business model to reduce plastic waste and increase the plastic recycling. My business model was to the caves to reduce the plastic waste and increase the plastic recycling. This is the experiment we done at the middle of our internship. Firstly, we will collect the water bottles around the Australia, wastewater bottles around the Australia, and clean the water bottles. Mm, uh, Before cutting the water bottles, we should remove bottle caps and labels. Any fragments under the label, we need to clean. We need to wash cleanly, and then do the cutting process in plastic recycle shredder machine. And we got the granules. From that granules, we need to convert the one roll of filament. After completing that experiment, approximately we need 30 to 40 water bottles to produce a small roll of filament. Application of engineering knowledge. Designing of 3D printer using an engineering knowledge. Convert the filaments into desired products by using 3D printer. Develop a 3D model of 3D printer by using AutoCAD software. Below you can show the figure 3D printer. Engagement with the engineering department of the host organization. Engagement with the department plays a crucial role to improve project progress. We were discussed project progress through Zoom meetings and WhatsApp group chat. We were also update the project progress every day through Zoom meetings to the supervisors. And if any uh, corrections, they're gonna tell us, and we will clarify it. We'll modify the corrections and share our project progress through Zoom meetings. Below you can show the figures, communication with WhatsApp group, communication through Zoom meetings. Engineering technical and computational activity. Design the shredder machine by using AutoCAD. The speed of the shredder machine is calculated by using shredder diameter, engine speed. By using the calculations to design the shredder machine. Below you can show the calculation work figure and shredder machine. Similarly, you can design the extruder machine and injection machine similar way. Engineering Australian standards and code of ethics, legislative and statutory requirements. There are 5 engineering Australian standards and code of ethics. They are accept for the self-respect of employee, skilled responsibility and accountability, quality of training, faith and confidential, teamwork with colleagues, legislative and statutory requirements, staff's honesties and tasks, offensive workplace conduct, health, environmental, safety and other contextual risks. This is the important thing. We need to take care of our health and environmental safety to avoid the accidents by following health and safety rules. Use eco-friendly materials while doing the plastic recycling. Otherwise, if we use any uh, dangerous materials, it may lead to cause some health problems. Use face masks and hand gloves and eyewear while doing plastic recycling. Below you can show the figures, face mask, hand gloves, eyewear. Conclusion. I was completed my internship successfully at October 2020 and finally I got a positive feedback from the clients and supervisor. The internship experience was boosted me to increase the technical and critical thinking skills. Some of them are developing problem solving skills, developing communication skills, developing designing skills, developing presentation skills. Moreover, I can use the internship experience to find my position in Australian industries. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Any question and answers?